Hey guys, happy Saturday. I just went out this morning and did a quick maintenance for a house that was being sold, and I found a bad capacitor. I didn't get any footage of that. I got some footage for you today of my work yesterday. I worked a long day. Got out the door at 7 in the morning and didn't get home till about 7 o'clock last night. Trying to finish up those two heat pump jobs. Didn't get a ton of footage. I actually didn't get any footage of the second heat pump job, but I did get footage of the first one, just wrapping it up, and then I also got some footage of a service call that we had in between. I say we, because I had my brother helping me yesterday. Between the two heat pumps, I had a service call on the way. Another Bosch M15 bad circuit board, and this one already had one bad circuit board on it. I had already replaced it about a year and a half ago. It's about a 2-year-old install. Replaced the circuit board after six months, and now here I am again replacing it again after a year and a half. So I might put an M18 in if it happens one more time, because I know that's only been an issue on the M15s, the Bosch M15, the 15 SEER heat pumps. So that's pretty aggravating and pisses me off, really, which you'll see. I really am not happy about that. So that was yesterday. I got a bunch of stuff coming up this week. I got some service parts installs on some service stuff that I did last week. I got a blower motor to put in. I got a circuit board and a flame sensor to replace. Yep, replacing a flame sensor is kind of weird, but it's got some pitting in it, and it could potentially fail. So I'm going to replace it. So got that, and then I'm going to got that big hacked mansion job. I still got to go back and clean up and finish up phase 1, and then we'll start working on phase 2 of that big project. So lots of good stuff coming up. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, we're back out here at this heat pump from Tuesday. We got our line set pumped up. I had a small leak, and then it was late in the afternoon, so I just got his electric furnace going the other day. We got that fixed. Got her pumped up. While that's holding, we're going to go ahead and get started on the drain for the air handler. Just get that wired in. Elbow on it there, so we have the gap there. We can still get the door off. I know that's close, but it is what it is. I'll get that wired in once we come back up from the crawl. You guys, back down in the office here. So I got my line elbow up high here, coming over, elbowed. Oh, sorry, I'm right underneath it. Turn this light over. And then straight out there. So I'm gonna put a panduit strap here to bring that up to where it's got fall. And I'm gonna panduit strap to this girder here up high. And we'll be done with the drain, other than putting a 90 outside and caulking it. And guys, just like yesterday, we're all loaded up to the hilts, all the way full. Almost couldn't get this door shut, but we finally did. Show you the finished product here. Got our locking caps, which are a code requirement here on our BOVB 36 HDN1 M18M, just like the other house. All the penetrations are nice and caulked. And I even, well, not real happy with the electrician's work. I never am. That should be rigid conduit, but he always gets away with running seal tight, which looks like garbage, but it is what it is. Not my work. Got our surge protector there. We even went ahead and dug the gravel out for the customer and sealed through the foundation for him. Let me take you inside. There's our condensate drain, sealed with silicone again. quiet in here. There's our easy trap line set. Again, we're all sealed up, 100%. Everything nice and clean. Got my sticker on there. All right, go talk to the customer. Call number 2. We got a Bosch M15 not working. I've already replaced the circuit board in it once, so let's see what we got here. Okay, it's reading 55 frequency. Let's see if she kicks on, or see if she gives us an error. Thermostat's in wait mode right now, so. All right, guys, we gave it a call for heat, and just like happened, I think it was 2 summers ago, that's reading E6. So what happens is, this board tells you that the fan motor's bad, but it's not. There's nothing wrong with the fan motor. It's a bad circuit board. I already swapped this out once, so it looks like I'm doing it again. I'm gonna call Bosch tech support here this afternoon and see what they got, what comes out of their mouth. Not good. 2 circuit boards on 1 unit. Pisses me off.